Tell me something. You come off fire. Fool mark there?
David, what are you talking about?
Audrey, you're playing a very dangerous game. One that gets people dead. Families get lost. Friendships get buried. Now, unless you like attending funerals, let's talk.
Okay, David. What do you want to know?
Oh, that's very simple. The truth. You think you can manage that? Who and what is your association to Zero?
You don't believe that? That is pure anger talking.
You can't say anything, and you will always defend me.
Mullins not always good to me. Him not always dead if we savage. You know say he's a tactical man. He want to make sure everything in line before him make any move.
Not with me as bait. Mullins have a little dark secret, you know. You might not want to admit it.
No.
All of Mullins' secret them lock up in a file neatly with all of the key information redacted. If you never have something behind, it wouldn't stay so.
Everybody have a past savage.
Yeah. But something everybody can find. Why y'all know we can't find nothing upon him? A dopey.
Audrey, saying this and saying that. Where is my son?
In a little town in Ohio.
With who?
Family.
Family? Your family? It's not my family.
David, I thought he would have been safe.
Safe from what? Safe from who?
So, when I found out that Martin was into human trafficking, it was too late. And after Martin's passing, Tony decided to take over. And he told me that he wanted me to help him to take down Savage. And if I don't help him, then he would come for my son.
You mean our son?
Yes, David. David, they have pictures of him. They have videos of him. They know exactly where he is.
That's because of your carelessness.
Oh, David, I was trying to protect our son. That is why I agreed that I'd help him. And after I agreed that I'd help him, I brought our son just so I could hide him. Because I had no intentions of helping him. But I don't know how they found him.
You're so caught up in this bougie life that you left breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs?
Think about it, Audrey.
My credit cards.
You were using your credit cards in a small town in Ohio when you're supposed to be living in New York. And I'm almost certain it wasn't for a Black Friday sale.
I came here to hide away. And now they know where my son is. And now they know exactly where I am.
Audrey, what exactly did you learn in psychology? You land in Jamaica and set up this elaborate place. That's like sending up a smoke signal. And then you are surprised that they will find you?
David, I'm so confused. I'm lost. I just don't know what to do.
Is it safe to say that this grand charade you played, lunch, my room, your couch, all of this was because of Tony?